Hey, today we're going over section 4.7, applications using rational equations. In this video, we will cover problem number 3. Mackenzie and Lindy work on a landscaping crew. They can complete the landscaping job in 4 hours if they work together. Mackenzie generally takes 6 hours less than Lindy. How long would it take Mackenzie to complete the landscaping job if Lindy calls in sick? Notice we're talking about work. They're doing a job. So one job in so many hours, all three pieces are going to be a rate. Okay, so let's fill that rate in. Mackenzie and Lindy work together. So one job for Mackenzie's time plus one job for Lindy's time equals together one job in 4 hours. Now, instead of them giving us one of the times for Mackenzie or Lindy, they give us this equation that relates the two. Mackenzie generally takes 6 hours less than Lindy. So I know that M equals L minus 6. All right, let's take L minus 6 and plug it in for M. Now I have 1 over L minus 6 plus 1 over L equals 1 over 4. Same thing, let's find the LCD and clear those fractions and solve for L. Notice L minus 6 is that binomial piece, so I need it and L and 4 for the LCD. So 4L times L minus 6 is that lowest common denominator. I can multiply each of the pieces and see what I get left. Here the L minus 6's divide to 1. So I have 4L plus 4 times L minus 6 because the L's will divide to 1 equals the 4's divide to 1. So just L times L minus 6. Now I can distribute and combine like terms. So 4L plus 4L minus 24 equals L squared minus 6L. Notice I have an L squared. Let's just move everything over to the right side, set the equation equal to 0, and then factor to solve. So I have 8L here. Let's subtract the 8L to the other side to get minus 14L. So I'll have L squared minus 14L and then add that 24 to the other side. So plus 24 equals 0. Then I can factor. What two pieces multiply to give you 24 and add to give you negative 14? Negative 12 and negative 2. Multiply to give you a positive 24 and add to give you negative 14. All right, so L could equal 12 or 2. If Mackenzie usually works 6 hours less than Lindy, do you think Lindy would be working 2 hours? And then Mackenzie would be working negative hours? That doesn't really make sense. So in this case, 2 does not make sense in the real world application. So we know that Lindy is 12. How long would it take Mackenzie to complete the job? So we plug 12 back in for L, and we see that Mackenzie will take 12 minus 6, which is 6. So Mackenzie will take 6 hours to complete the job. I hope that helped you clarify a little bit. Enjoy!